Stone Floor Cleaning East Horsley by Fabritec Stone Care. Tired of battling with your stone floors to get them clean? We understand your frustration. You've scoured the internet, searched for every natural stone cleaning company in East Horsley. You've tried every tile cleaning product on the market. But nothing seems to work. When it comes to restoring the natural beauty of your stone surfaces, Fabritec Stone Care is your knight in shining armor. Fabritec Stone Care is a premier natural stone cleaning service in East Horsley. Our team of experts is well versed in the art of stone and tile cleaning. We use the most advanced techniques and equipment to ensure that your floors are spotless. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today to schedule your appointment and experience the Fabritec difference. Your floors will thank you. Get an estimate for stone and tile cleaning and restoration. Call 07798608640 now.